And what we're going to go through really quickly here is how your competitors are stealing from you on Google Maps, specifically using and leveraging local search engine optimization. So basically how they're stealing from you on Google, because when people are searching on Google and they find your business, what's happening is a lot of times your competitors are keyword stuffing their title, or they're leveraging other strategies that put them ahead of you on Google Maps. And when that happens, that means that they're getting the phone calls, they're getting the clicks, and not you. So, Crystal, what do you have to say about that?
Therefore, they are stealing from you.
Yeah.
By cheating.
Yeah, they're cheating.
That's not how we play.
and the good news is that, you know, the people, the clients, the businesses that we work with, we help them become the #1 go-to business in their niche, totally with white hat strategies, meaning they're within the terms of service of Google, meaning you're protected. So even if somebody wants to come after you, you've got Google insurance, so to speak. You've got local search engine optimization insurance and protection, knowing that we scour your Google My Business page to know that you're okay, and that even if somebody did, you know, find out that you are the business that, because this is a big question that we get a lot, is you know, what can they retaliate and blah blah blah.
Yeah.
The bottom line is no, because we make sure that all of our clients are totally clean.